This is day 3. Day 3? This is day 3. We're gonna visit a palace. Right now we're gonna have some ginseng chicken. I know my vlog has been lacking. I have not been vlogging a lot because it's a family trip and my mom hates to be on the video. Mom? Yeah, she don't like to be on the video, so can't vlog much. My sister is vlogging. My brother is vlogging. And my dad is vlogging. So the whole family is vlogging except my mom. Mom.
Very strong ginseng. I support same. Hey! Mom!
So the thing is, this ginseng chicken inside has rice. See the rice in the chicken? Glutinous rice. It is really, really good. But the thing about Korea is, the best thing about Korea is the side dishes. I really love the kimchi. So right now, we are in this Chanel outfit place. It's where people rent hanbok. So I'm gonna try wearing one.
Do to carry all this with the hanbok? No.
Do with me.
Confirm not. I thought Ray was good.
Do with me. Oh, pose like that. Got it. She asked me. Oh.
Why is it because of movement or what? I don't get that one.
We're gonna walk out for a while, like an hour, and I have to return this. I feel quite embarrassed wearing this. Normally it's the girl wear, you know. The guy don't wear, you know. That's the thing. Why? Say, why are you not wearing?
Girlfriend and walk. You have girlfriend? You wanna walk with your girlfriend?
No.
Let's go.
Say. Do you like my outfit?
I love it.
Why aren't you wearing an outfit as well? God, why you never join me? Why you never join me? Yo. High five. No high five. No. I feel like this is the kind of thing where you dress up with your girlfriend and wife. You don't do it alone. If you do it alone, I feel silly. See the couple that's walking in? See? That's how you're supposed to do it. Don't do it alone. I thought it's like that. Thank you. Okay, so I'm out of the outfit, but you know what I've decided next time, next time, I'll do this with my girlfriend next time.
For sure, it'll be fun.
Yeah.
I'm telling you now, you must do it with your girlfriend.
Yeah, must do it with girlfriend. Don't do it alone, guys. I felt so awkward doing it alone. So many couples, and it's quite nice lah. You get some good photos. But first, you must find a girlfriend first. Even if I say all this, no point. Okay, we're gonna try the gachapon. I really don't mind Bulbasaur or Charmander or Squirtle. I just don't want this green thing. But you know, after I say I don't want the green thing. Oh, Charmander, nice. This is what I got. Yeah. We just finished eating bibimbap and noodles. The lady was so nice, she gave us a lot of free food. So I technically ate like 2 bowls of noodle and bibimbap. thing now is we are at a fish market. We're ordering all our fish ingredients and then we're gonna get them to cook it. It reminds me a lot like San-nakji market at Japan. Oh! Oh wait,
It's slipping, it's slipping.
dude! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, it's slipping, it's slipping!
No, you do.
It's nothing. You want to eat it?
Okay, fine. Wait. Come on, like. Okay.
No, you must hold. You slip out. You must hold it tight.
Just okay. Give me stress. That was scary.
No, you go.
He's peeing.
No, you gotta hold. No. Hey, post to the thumbnail. How disgusting.
So this is
Oh, the
live
soup smells
octopus. We're supposed to eat it. The number one thing that everyone asks me to eat is live octopus. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, it sticks to the plate.
Wait. Oh my goodness. Oh wow.
Oh.
That's big, man.
Wait.
Oh, it's sticking to my cheek.
Oh, man.
It's delicious. Very delicious.
Don't trust him.
Ooh.
Don't trust. I don't trust
When
Keiji.
it sticks to your cheek, right? It's so interesting. Okay. It's good.
Your turn.
Your turn. No, I'll try everything one. I'll try everything one.
Try with the small one. Oh, it's not even going to your mouth.
Taste-wise is good.
I'm only tasting the soy sauce and oil.
No, that's why I eat one just now without. How's it?
It's too small.
That's too small.
I'm vomit.
You want me really?
I can't swallow it. I don't understand the appeal.
Yeah, put the big ones in there lah.
She's having
I think it
spasm.
flew away to the next table.
She's having spasm. He got stuck. Do you like it?
I hope so, I don't know.
He got stuck on my
You
forehead.
cannot play your food, eh?
I stuck there now.
Where is it?
I didn't play. It flew to my forehead. Spasm.
Show the camera.
Wait, don't swallow it. Chew it, please.
Stop playing your food.
Explain with me.
She eat until so ugly.
You see, mommy also.
She eat until so ugly.
It's confirmed dead. It's confirmed dead. DED dead. He's not moving anymore. He's confirmed not moving anymore.
Oh, my sister is crazy.
Shit.
So, it's an Adventure Time watch. I only want Bimo, Jake, or Finn. I don't really want the rest. Actually, I don't mind this one, but Bimo.
You saw it?
I saw it. It's this guy. It's a kid's watch, but I'll wear it.
But it's quite cute, this one. You know, it's quite cute, this one. It matches your outfit.